In 2020, we had a worldwide pandemic, and possibly you suffered a job loss, have been displaced, or you're just disenfranchised with the fact that you're punching a clock for somebody else, not building something that you own. During the pandemic, service businesses never really closed. In fact, most service businesses had their best year ever. Owning your own business is going to allow you to pursue your passions, things like faith, family, and even like me back in 2006 becoming a professional fisherman and winning the Redfish Tour National Championship. So if owning your own business, building your own asset, working towards retirement to have something that has real value with no franchise fees, no upfront costs, no geographically protected territories, no strings attached, sounds good to you, then hey, let me buy you lunch. So down below this video is a link, and it's going to take you to a calendar that has our open houses and lunch and learns where we're going to be in your local area. Hey, stop by and see what soft washing with SoftWash Systems could possibly mean for creating a legacy for your family and for your life. So once you visit that page, pick a date, RSVP, and we will see you there.